Hi, so for the last time, my name is Ariana, and this is my last video for the takeaway message. And the single most important thing for me from this class would probably have to be learning specifically each term for discrimination, prejudice, and stereotyping, because I think back then I used to use these words more intertwined, and I think even society intertwines these words too, where we use them meaning the same thing, even though they have their distinction. Like, of course they have similarities, but there's more of a psychological background to it. For example, with stereotypes we have, the beliefs, which are more cognitive, whereas with discrimination it's dealt with behaviors, and prejudice is more of an affect and dealing with an attitude. So I would say that's the most important thing I've learned. And my takeaway message would have to be that in order to reduce prejudice, discrimination, and all those things in general, including racism, would probably have to be just exposure. Exposure to different cultures, exposure to different people who aren't like us, to the stigmas, and learning about them in order for us to, address the issues. And I think just also accepting the fact that discrimination does indeed exist, and not thinking that it's something from the past. So I would say just, recognizing that as an essential problem now would probably be my takeaway message. And what I'll probably remember the most and I'll use in the future is probably going to have to be the intergroup contact theory and the conditions in which it's successful. And I would say out of the 4 conditions, I'm going to say that the acquaintance and getting to know someone more as an individual is probably the most important part of it, because we tend to categorize people a lot into just groups without getting to know the person. And for myself, I think I try to integrate myself into other cultures, other people who aren't like me, but I think I do still tend to hang out with people that are Hispanic girls mostly, whereas it would be nice to learn more about different cultures and finding out the similarities that we have between each other, and the differences as well. So I would say that's probably the most important thing that I'll use in the future. This class has been very interesting, and I guess this is it. Thank you, Dr. Calderon. Have fun in England, and to my classmates, have a great rest of the summer. Thank you. Bye.